Did you know you can transform your fireplace with just a bit of paint? Here I have all the equipment I'll be using. It might not be the most glamorous first step, but priming your fireplace before painting is key to a great finished product. We want to give any pre-painted areas a quick sand before going in with this undercoat. This helps to create a smooth surface for our top coat. Now for my favourite part, a splash of colour. For our walls and fireplace, I've chosen Morris Blue to colour drench the woodwork, the walls and the fireplace, an opulent shade with a sophisticated undertone of duck egg blue. It's perfect colour for making a statement. Drench the walls and woodwork in this luxurious shade for a bold, full colour coverage. We want our focal point to feel daring and dramatic, so it draws the eye, adding excitement to our space. Here I've gone for a creative checkerboard pattern using Chatelaine and Arabian Red. The sweet apricot shade of Chatelaine brings a gentle growing warmth to the space, which the rich crimson of Arabian Red really turns up the heat. And there we have it. That's how you can turn a fireplace into a visually interesting focal point by using colour. To style, I've accessorised this with a soft, chalky pink table linen, bold crimson striped cushion and a recycled chair in Arabian Red. This blend of warm, creamy pinks and explosive rich reds really helps to bring out those emerging sunset tones used throughout our checkerboard pattern. For more tips and tricks on creating your own fireplace focal point, leave your questions in the comment below.